Hi everyone, welcome back once again in my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I am going to explain one most important interview question that is mostly asked in the interview room or is guys knowledge seek as well. The guys who is freshers as well as intermediate level. So guys, if they are going to attend any interview, so most of the time guys, generally the interview may ask this question if they are going to answer array related question. If they are going to jump about array concept, then might be this question will come in each bucket. So guys, what is the question guys? So how we are going to sort the element in descending order, right? In last video already I explained how we are going to sort the element in ascending order. Okay, this is just reverse. So last video I explained ascending order, how we are going to sort the element. But in this video guys, I am going to explain how we are going to sort the array element in descending order guys. Nothing else. So guys, without any further delay, we'll test our code guys. Then we'll come to know what should be the code for what sorting element in descending order guys. Okay guys, so without any further delay, we'll create one class. Okay, so I will create guys one class. That class is guys suppose sort array element descending order. Okay, yes, we will have one min method. Okay, done. So guys, I hope you know what descending order is. So descending order means guys, just I will first write this thing. What is descending order? Descending order means guys, descending order means guys, first you should know, right? So if you will have some array, right? Just like I suppose 24 or 45, then 67, 89. Okay, this is the array element, right? So then, so descending order means, so this array should looks like a, so which will be the highest number get, the number which will be highest in array get, that will come first. So get 100 will come first, then 89, then get 67, then 45, then get 24. This should be your result, right? Yeah, this is called a descending order, or you can say this is what unsorted array, right? Un Okay, but again, this is what sorted array. Sorted array. This is unsorted array, but this is what sorted, but as per descending order again. Okay, so that this thing we need to achieve from this code here. What we are going to, what I am going to explain in this code. So our result should be get looks like that. Okay, so highest number should be first, then corresponding lowest number should be last. Correct? So this is our what motto for writing the code here. So guys, we'll start. So guys, first we'll take input array here. Suppose int arr input I will give size guy 5. Okay. Then guy, what we can do? Suppose if we want to take the request from the end user. So if you want to take the request from the end user, so we need to take one scanner class. What we know very well. Already we have taken in so many places. Correct? And Then we need to pass our input string, right? Okay, this thing we have done. So after creating this scanner object again, so we can print some statement so end user can understood what the things they need to do, right? So for the purpose again, what the statement should be get, enter the elements in array, enter the elements in array. That print statement we are going to write, or we can write here for understanding purpose for end user, correct? Yes. So let's see after that, because in the array you will have more than one element, right? Already I mentioned 5 elements we may insert, correct guys? So we definitely get, then we need to take one for loop, right? Because we are going to take the request from the end user for more than one element. So we can take one for loop. So int I equals to I int I equals to 0. Then our I value less than our guy. Whatever the we have size, right? So array input dot length we, right? Then get I plus plus we can do. We can increment our value one by one, correct? And get this value we are going to take from the end user, correct? This value we are going to take from end user again. So we need to hold this value in our array input, correct? So guys see, so sc dot next int we have one method, right? So we can call this method with our scanner reference, right? Because this method is available in our scanner class. Then get we can hold this value in our what array input array, correct? Yes or no? Yes. That's very simple, right? And we can store our every index value, correct? Index value, element value, right? On the 0 index, what value we are going to enter, that we are going to hold in array input. Yes or no? Yes. So let's see. After that, get our main logic will be a start. What our main ambition? What our the main what achieve? What our main motto to achieve the result, guy? We need to sort the element in array in descending order. Right, guy? So, guy, this place we need to write nested for loop, guy. Keep in mind, guy, if you are going to sort the element, it may be descending order, it may be ascending or descending. Okay, so you need to write, guy, what nested for loop. One loop is going to run for checking the element, compare the element from one index to other index. Right? So I will show, guys. Don't worry. So guys, I'm writing here one for loop, one nested for loop, guys. Not one for loop, nested for loop, guys. So guys, in this for loop, I can write same condition, guys. Then inside this for loop, guys, I can take one more for loop. That is, guys, nested for loop. For loop, but this for loop we have some modification needed, right? I will explain, guys. With dry run also I will tell you. We'll run the application with dry run in debug mode. Don't worry, guys. Please concentrate. It's very simple, guys, but you need to understand very carefully. So guys, see, in this I can take one other variable, guys, in j equals to I plus 1. I will tell you why. Okay. Then get int j equal to what I put I plus 1. Then get j less than our same thing, get array dot length. Then get same as it is our j plus plus, right? J plus plus, right? Yes. I will tell you, guys. Don't worry. So guys, see, you need to understand first why I'm writing this condition, right? So guys, see, our main motto is we need to check from, suppose guys this number is right, 24 to 45. So guys, this for loop, order of for loop guys will take this number. So if index I mean index 0, what the element is there guys? Element is 24. So we are going to compare one from other for loop, right? So we'll check this is I value guys. I value means 0 value is 24, and guys j plus 1. So I plus 1. So I is guys 0, 0 plus 1, 1. So guys in one index what the value is there, right? So I'm going to compare 24 to 45, right? So guys tell me 24 is greater than 45 or less than 45. So obviously guys it is what, 24 is less than 45. If it is less than 45, then guys I will give one condition inside the nested for loop guys. You got it right? Then I'm going to compare 24 to 67, 24 to 89, 24 to 100. Okay? So guys then next step we can check 45 to 67. 40, this means index 1, what the number is coming corresponding will check from other value guys. So this thing I am going to write in this for loop guys. Right? So guys see what the condition we should write inside the nested for loop guys. Please concentrate guys. I will take guys one if condition. Okay, I am taking one if condition. I will write guys, suppose our array of input I less than what, array input of j. So what I have written here, I am going to check condition guys. If array input of I less than array input of j, you can see guys here, you can see here array input of I. So 0 index, what element is guys? 24. So 20 and guys I plus 1. See next loop j equal to I plus 1. So I is 0 plus 1 index. So 1 index guys 45 is there. So guys this condition is satisfied, yes or no? So 24 is less than 45, yes or no? This condition is satisfied. If this condition is going to satisfy, so we need to go inside this if condition, right? So inside the if condition guys we need to write some swapping logic guys. What? We need to write some swapping logic. With that swapping logic we can reverse that number guys. We can put 45 as a index 0, right guys, and 24 as a index 1. So how I am going to write guys? Please concentrate here. Okay. So guys see, for that purpose, for swapping purpose, this 45 we need to place in index 0 and this 24 need to shift in index 1. So how we are going to do it? So for this purpose guys I am taking one temp variable. What? I am taking one temp variable. So guys temp, I am going to store what? A of I value guys. A of I value I am going to store first. Whatever the value we have index 0, okay, then I am going to store into our what? Temp variable. Okay. So guys this one, right? I have understood, right? So here you can see here some error message coming because we didn't create any temp variable. So guys I can create here temp, in temp, right? I've created one temp variable, temporary variable guys, well nothing is there. I'm going to store initially whatever the index 0 we have the value, right? Right? Yes. So let's see after that what we can do guys. I can do, so input of array input of j value. What do we have j value guys? So guys j value means guys I plus 1. I plus means 45, right? So guys, that value I am going to hold in our what? Array of I guys. Guys, please be concentrated. It's simple, but if you understand, then it becomes easy guys. Otherwise, it may confuse. Correct guys? This logic I have written. And last guys, I can take what? Whatever the our a of j value guys, whatever we have a of j value, we can store in the temp. Okay, don't worry, I will explain this code with dry run. Okay, then will come to know very easily guys. Okay, this concept we need to write. Okay, after writing this condition guys, you can see this if condition closing here, this for loop closing here, this for loop closing here. So after write this guys, I will write one more for loop to printing our result guys. Yes, to printing our result. So guys, for int I equals to 0 and I less than our same thing guys, array input dot length what we have we can keep here, right? Then guys, we can do increment our I plus plus. In this guy, I am going to print I am going to write guy only for print statement guy. Nothing else I am going to write in this place, right? What things I am going to print guy? So whatever our array input of I have, right? Then I can give some. Then I can give guy some space, okay, for printing the result guy. So let's see, this is the logic. Our program is ready. This is the logic we should write for descending order. Okay. So first guy, I will run the application in front of you. We'll see the result. Then I will same application I will show with dry run. Okay. Let's see. Run edge. Enter the elements in array guy. So guys, see, I will give guy same number what I've given here. Okay. So 24, then get 45, then 67, then 89, then 100. Good guys? Guys, see what result is coming. Result is coming guys. What? I can write guy here message one statement guy. Sys out after sorted element array, after sorted the elements in array as what? Descending order. Okay? Yes. Come to know guys very easily. So you see what I have mentioned. So you need to mention first get 24, then get 45. Sorry. 45. So I am taking 24 first number, 45 second number, 67 third number, 89 fourth number, 100 is fifth number. Let's see. After sorted the elements in array as descending order. So let's see 100, 89, 67, 45, 25 coming or not guy? Tell me. Yes or no? The result is coming as expected guy. Right? So guys, I hope you understood. Right? As per our implementation of this code. But guys, our main motto is I need to tell you how this code is going to flow internally. Right? Yes or no? then you will come to know easily, guys. So for this purpose, guys, I will run this application in debug mode. Okay, come here, guys. Okay, I have kept breakpoint this place. Okay, so guys, debug as Java application, right? Yes. So then first I need to insert the number. I need to enter number what we want for finding the descending order. So guys, same number I will enter for understanding purpose, right? So 45, then get 67, then 89, then 100. Okay, after entering number, guys, because we ran the program in debug mode, that's why, guys, the control came in this place. Right, guys? So guys, this time you can see our I value is get 0, right? Because this is the 0 index. Yes or no? 24. So guys, and this value is get 1. Guys, this is index 1. So now we are going to compare 24 to 45, guys. Please keep in mind, guys, and please concentrate. Please be focused, guys. It's very simple, but guys, important. If you don't understand, then you may confuse. Okay, then you are not able to get proper flow of this code, guy. So what I mentioned, guy, I value is 0 and j value is 1, guy, because j is 0 plus 1, definitely 1, guy, right? Yes. So let's see what I have written inside the nested for loop. So array input of I. So guys, this is a 0 value. So on 0 value, so guys, this 0 is the index. Please concentrate. This 0, what you can see here, that is the index. So on 0 index, what the number we have? 24, right? Yes. So 24 less than j value, guys. J is 1. It is 45. Guys, tell me. So this 25. So this 24 is less than 45. Yes or no? Yes, guys. This 24 is obviously less than 45. So guys, we can enter in this loop, guys. You can see, guys. Okay, yes or no? Guys, this is the power of debugging mode. Okay, this is debugging, guys. Okay, so definitely we enter in our if condition, guys, because when the condition satisfy, only we can enter our if condition. Otherwise, directly we can go outside of the loop. Okay, guys. See, guys, in the input array, guys, what the value we have? Okay, 0 index 24, 1 index 45. Second index 67, third index 89, yes or no, and fourth index 100. What the number we have entered? This number is coming as expected or not expected. So let's see. So what I am going to check here? Let's see. So now guys, tell me if this condition satisfied. If this condition satisfied, now what we are going to hold in the temp variable, guys? See, 24. As of now, I am going to hold in temp variable is 24 because at the input of I means 0 index. 0 index, what value, guys? 24. That's why I am going to hold the value of 24 in the temp variable. Correct? I hope you understood, guys. Next, I am going to next line, guys. Guys, now you can see what was j value, guys? 1. What is the value? 45. And guys, what is the guy? I value, guys? So guys, 45 0 index. So guys, whatever the value is 45 in the index 1, right? Index 1. Now we have shifted into what? This value, guys, as you can see 45. Guys, so now you can see in the index 0, guys. Index 0, I have shifted the 45. Right, guys? I have shifted into 45, guys. Guys, please concentrate. Now guys, you can see in the input of j, guys, in temp variable what value we have. So input j, guys, you can see, guys, whatever the temp variable earlier in initial, guys, temp variable was 24. Now I can shift it in the j value, guys, one variable, right? One index. So now guys, you can see here. So I 0, guys, what the number is coming at 45. Guys, you can see how this swapping logic is working, guys. How this swapping logic is working. Please concentrate. Guys, see, as of now, earlier in the index 0, what value was there, guys? 24. 1, 45. But now you can see guys, 0 index 45, 1 index 24. Correct guys? Yes. Guys, I am going to check next step, next iteration guys. Guys, see. Again guys, it came here. Why guys? Now our j value guys 2. Why? Because first iteration done, right? First iteration done, right? In this case guys, our value is what? We are going to check this value to every value guys. So guys, see, this time j value is 2. So guys, this 2, right? 2 means guys 67. Yes or no guys? So tell me guys, here what is the I value guys? 0 index and j value is guys 2. Okay, so we are going to check this condition guys. See, so obviously guys, this 0 index 24, this 24 guys, I am going to check second index means 67. So 24 is less than, so not 24 guys, 45, because now index 0 you will have 45. So 45 is less than 67. Yes, because now in the index 0 you have 45. You already in the first iteration it has swapped, right? So on the first index 24 is there and second index 67 is there. So I am going to check, so this index to this index, so 0 to 2, you can see here I is 0, j is 2. So 0 index what value guys? 45 after first iteration swapping guys, you can see. So guys, tell me what is the temp value guys? Because as of now our I value is guys 0 index, that is here 45, right? Yes guys, see. Now guys, you can see, because guys 45, right? 45 is less than 67, right? 45 less than 67. That's why guys, I am going to store what? 16 as a 0 index. Correct guys? Come here. Guys, you can see. So now, because in this iteration guys, 45 compared to 67. So guys, 67 is greater number. That's why guys, it's swapped. Right? You can see guys, the number has swapped. It becomes 67. Yes or no guys? Guys, in the next step, you can see. Again guys, you can see 0 index. What value guys? 67. Yes or no? 0 index guy, you can see guy, 0 index what value is given? 67 after swapping. So guys, this 67 is greater than this value guy. You can see j value will get 3 now. J value will get 3 see, you can see here. Yes or no? So guys, 0 index we are going to compare this third index. Obviously guys, 67 is less than 89. Yes or no? So if condition satisfied, we can enter into the loop and we are going to perform the what? Our swapping, right? Guys, see. Guys, see. Now 89 is the 0 index. Now guys, 89 is the 0 index, right? And j value guys 4. You can see guys, j value will be 4. Yes or no? And this guy 0. So guys, you can see once I am going to enter in this loop guy. Guys, you can see. So guys, now 89 will be the. So guys, we are going to compare this one to this one guy. So 100 is the guy maximum number. That's why you can see here 100 is coming 0 index. Correct guy? And guy, you can look outside guy. See guy. Now you know what it will happen. Now this value will be incremented by 1. Where you can see guys, this is auto for loop. Yes or no? So now whatever the index 0, now it will move in 1 position guy. You can see here. Guys, see. So now this time I will be 1 guy. I hope you are understanding guy, right? I hope you are understanding what I am going to explain here. Guys, it's a very simple thing. But if you understood this debug mode guy, how the code is going to flow, then your what implementation becomes very easy guy. Now I am going to check guy first index. So first index, what element is there? So guy, how will come to know first index? Guy, you come here, you can see this place guy. Guy, you can see. So first index guy, 45s are there now. Okay, so 45 is going to compare with other value guy. This one, this one, this one. Correct guy? So repeatedly this thing guy will happen. Okay, so at last guy, you can see our what result is coming guy. Guys, see. So 189, 67, 45, 24 is our guy result guy. So guys, this is the code we should write whenever if anybody what asks you how we are going to sort the element in descending order in array. So guys, this should be the logic you should write in front of them. Then they may appreciate it. Correct guys? So guys, that is the our complete video how to write the sorted array in descending order. Okay. So guys, thank you guys. If you like the video guys, please like, share, subscribe and click the notification button. Whenever I will upload any video guys, you can get notified very early guys. Okay. So guys, I would suggest you, so guys, please be concentrated, watch all the lines guys what I have explained. Okay, repetition, you can repeat the video, you can pause the video, you can note the things what I explained, then your what your thinking will be more clear guy. Correct guy? So in coming time in future guy, I will start guy DSA, data structure algorithm guy. So array is also guy one most important data structure which is mostly guy used in our what design the algorithm, because array is also a one type of data structure. Okay, how we are going to manipulate the data in terms of array guy. So guys, just in after some time I am going to start data structure algorithm guy for you people, right, which is very helpful for cracking any interview guy, because if you know the basic concept how the data is going to manipulate in terms of our this array data structure, then your confidence will be more boost up guys. Thank you guys, we'll meet very soon in next video. As of now, bye bye.